he's sending me this package? And he said, oh, the Nigerian government. I was like, eh? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you an unboxing what the Nigerian government sent over to my house. To say I was shocked, right, is a bit of an understatement. If it's your first time here, my name is Sassy Funke, and I'm a Nigerian travel and lifestyle content creator, really creating to help Nigerians globally travel better, smarter, right? If that's something you can benefit from, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. You can make it happen. And also don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thumbsing up really encourages me to create more content, like this. It's free too, so why not just click thumbs up? So let's start this video by talking about the delivery of this package. A delivery driver called me on the 10th of January and he basically said, oh, I have a package for you. And what went through my mind was, I didn't buy anything online. Wasn't expecting any gifts from anyone. So I was a bit like, then I was like, okay, you know what? He's sending me this package? And he said, oh, the Nigerian government. I was like, eh? He then said, oh, yes, the Ministry of Health. I was confused. I was like, Nigerian government is sending me something. I said, has the Nigerian government ever sent me something? Like, you guys, let me know in the comment section below. Has any entity in the Nigerian government ever sent you something? Like something for free? Have you ever received anything? Like, let me know in the comment section below. Because at this point, I haven't called my mom. I called people. I was, I got a package from the Ministry of Health. Then it clicked. Something clicked. I remember in December, you've probably seen the video, how my COVID-19 experience. I'm gonna link that video up if you haven't seen it. But when I caught COVID, I did a test at a private lab. Typically the test lab, they actually inform the government. And I remember the government calling me. So I was like, oh my God, this probably has something to do with COVID, right? But I was like, I tested positive like on the 2nd of December, 2021. I'm getting this, call about a package on the 10th of January, over a month later. I was like, I was just confused, to the point that I actually asked him to send me the picture of the package. And I'll show you that conversation there. Like, send me a picture of the package. I can actually see that it's a real package. Like, I don't know what I was afraid of, but I was just like, I want to see. And he sent me the picture of the package. 2 days later, he delivered this package to me right here. Yeah, it actually has on it just like my name. I'm not sure if you can see this, my name. And it has my phone number, which I'm covering, But it was sent in this Carter Briggs Logistics Company, package. Anyway, I did open it, and I'm gonna open it now. And this is what's inside, guys. This is what's inside. And we're going to go through this. I actually haven't opened this particular package itself, but in front of it, what it says here is Evans Baroque Home Care Package, right? And it actually states what exactly, this is the package, a small package right here. Home Care Package. It lists what the contents are, which I'm going to read out. And at the bottom, it actually states here, the Lagos State COVID Project and Evans Baruch Live More, Be More. I guess they're the ones that maybe put it together for the government, maybe. So in the content, it says there are, first thing, paracetamol, 500 milligram tablets, and it tells you there 2-3 times daily. So you take it 2-3 times daily. Vitamin C, 100 milligram tablets, 1 daily. Vitamin D, 200 IU tablets, 1 daily. Zinc sulfate, 20 milligram tablets, 1 daily. A digital thermometer, reusable face mask, and hand sanitizer. That's what it says in the front. So obviously I assume this is a COVID package, right? So because I tested positive for COVID in December, that is why they sent me this package. And at the back of the thing, it says, join LASG, stop the spread of COVID-19, wash hands regularly, cough into an elbow, wear face masks, maintain social distancing, use hand sanitizers when available, do not spread false information, and avoid self-medication. So just telling you some of the guidelines to help the spread of COVID-19, right? And I'm assuming they give this to anyone that's ever tested positive, right? Like, let me know in the comment section if you've ever received a package like this from the government before. I'm going to try and open it now. Oh gosh, I don't have a scissors with me. So I'm going to do what I do. I'm going to use a pen to open it and actually just show you guys. Ooh. Show you guys. Ooh, I'm ripping this thing a bit badly. So I can show you specifically the contents. Okay. This is, oh, I guess this is a hand sanitizing gel, maybe? Yeah. So this is the hand sanitizer from Ivan Baruch right here. Let me, that will focus so you guys can see that. Yeah, so that's about, what's the size of this? So oh, okay. Does it say the size? I don't know, but yeah, it's a decent size, my arm size, my hand size. This was manufactured by, so Ivan Baruch manufactured it in Nagbara. Yeah, that's there. So that's hand sanitizer. Ooh, this is the face mask, right? And I'm gonna open this up because I actually say something on there. So the face mask I got, oh, it's two. You get two face masks. I don't know why this is a face mask. I don't know why it's looking dirty. Right, or maybe it's a, I don't know. It doesn't look, it's not the cleanest, but I guess maybe they dropped it or something. Lagos State COVID-19 project. So I got a black one, and also, yeah, I think that one, what is this? Yeah, this one says, oh, stop malaria, full stop. And this one is just state Algafen, Lagos State COVID-19 project. Actually, it would be nice if they didn't actually have a branded one so that people can feel comfortable wearing it, not promoting the project, but I understand why. So 2 masks there. Let me see what else in here so you guys can, oh, this is the digital thermometer right there. So open this up. Oh, right there. Let me see. Yeah, that's actually quite nice to have. It's quite nice to have. Check your, because it's really important to check your temperature when you're having COVID. So to see if you have a high fever, to measure that. So that's quite good. Yeah, you see that? Yeah. Okay, what else is in here? I guess these are the drugs that you're given. I'm trying to see. Yeah, so this is the paracetamol right here. It actually has the COVID-19. What does it have on there? Oh, so it's actually, I think it is actually produced specifically for Lagos State because even the labeling on that, I'm not sure if you guys can see, it actually says the LASG COVID-19 home care package. It's specifically produced for the government, right? So they gave me about 20 tabs of paracetamol. Vitamin C, right? They gave me 10 tablets. Similarly, so produced by the same company, the Ivan Baruch, right? Yeah, Ivan Baruch. And that's vitamin C there. Okay, this is the zinc tablet that I'm given. Oh, is this focusing? Let me try and get this to focus properly. Yeah, so that's the zinc that I was given. 10 tablets of that. And, what was this? Oh, so that was vitamin D, sorry. This is vitamin C, 10 tablets of this, produced by that same company too. Yeah. Yes, guys, so that is pretty much everything that is inside the package that I was given, pretty much everything. Firstly, let me just say I was actually impressed that there was a COVID-19 package for people that test positive, and I was not aware of it, which is understandable because I've never tested positive for COVID before, but I also never heard about it. It would have been nice to know that the government is doing some things, because it's kudos to them that they're actually, obviously, money has gone into helping people recover from COVID. It would be great to actually know that the government is actually doing things like this, actually outreach to patients that actually have COVID-19. Actually, leave me a comment in the comment section below if you or anyone in your family actually received a package similar to this or anything else, right? And if you're not from Lagos, do other states have their own packages, home care package? Like, let me know in the comment section below. So as I said, I think it's great that they're sharing this, but I think they need to be a little bit more efficient, right, in getting this package to people on time. As I mentioned, I got COVID, I was diagnosed with COVID, I think on the 2nd of December or so, and I received this on the 12th, even though I was told about it on the 10th of January. So over a month later before I received the package. That's sad, right? Because they're doing something great by having these packages, but if you don't get it to people on time, it's a waste of money and effort, right? Even though you can use it in case I catch COVID again, I have drugs to use, which is a positive thing. So it's something, it's good. I feel like they're doing something great, but they need to make sure like it's not just half-assed. You've created this package, now finish the job well and get it to people on time. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much the video. I just wanted to share with you what I received from the government with regard to COVID-19. Lagos State, kudos. Like, that's pretty much it. Like, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to also share with me if you received packages like this. Also, if in the country that you're watching this from, does your government give you like home care packages like this when you have COVID-19? Because I think this is pretty impressive. Let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.